Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now part of the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most enjoyable way. You don't need to stress about complicated grammar rules. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times. That's all you need to start speaking and understanding English naturally while discovering the incredible culture of the United States. Today, we're exploring a very special region, the Deep South. Why is it culturally unique? The Deep South refers to a group of U.S. states known for their rich traditions, complex history, and strong sense of identity. It includes states like Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, and South Carolina. One of the first things to know about the Deep South is its strong connection to history. It played a major role during the American Civil War and still carries many historical landmarks, plantations, and battlefields from that time. The region has a deep cultural memory linked to its past, and understanding it is key to understanding the United States as a whole. Culturally, the Deep South is famous for its hospitality. Southern hospitality means being polite, warm, and welcoming to everyone. People in the South often greet strangers with a smile, offer help, and invite guests into their homes with kindness. Music is another essential part of the Deep South's identity. Styles like blues, jazz, country, and rock and roll all have roots in this region. Cities like New Orleans, Louisiana, and Memphis, Tennessee, are musical capitals where these sounds were born and continue to thrive. Food is also unforgettable in the Deep South. Traditional Southern cuisine includes dishes like fried chicken, gumbo, collard greens, cornbread, and pecan pie. The flavors are rich, hearty, and often full of history, blending African, Native American, and European influences. Religion plays a very important role in daily life. The South is often called the Bible Belt because of the strong presence of Christian faith, especially Protestant churches. When it comes to language, the Southern accent is one of the most recognizable in America. It's often slow, warm, and musical, adding charm to everyday conversations. Finally, it's important to mention that while the Deep South has a complicated history, especially regarding civil rights, today it's a region filled with resilience, pride, and a commitment to growth and diversity. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning why the Deep South is so culturally unique, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's your chance to review and reinforce everything you've learned today. Please like and share this video to help us keep growing and creating even better content. See you in the next adventure.